Well, thank you for joining me. I'd like to look this snippet at a derivative of a quotient, a derivative of a fraction where you've got x on the numerator and x on the denominator. So let's say we've got y equals x4 plus x over x squared, and they want to know dy dx, so they want the derivative of the function, and you can see that we've got a function on top and with x's in it and a function underneath. So we're going to let y equals a quotient rule where u equals x4 plus x and v equals x squared. So v equals the denominator. Now u dash, I'm going to call it u dash. The derivative of u is simply 4x cubed plus 1. And the derivative of v, I'll call it v dash, is 2x. Right, so we've done the derivative of the numerator. We've done the derivative of the denominator. And now the quotient rule. So do you know the quotient rule? Yes, you need to know the quotient rule. And dy dx. Quotient rule says it is v times u dash. It's very important to put v first. Minus u v dash over v squared. And now we replace v with x squared. So v is x squared. And u dash is 4x cubed plus 1. And we've got a minus. Now u is x4 plus x. So we put x4 plus x. And now v dash is 2x. You see, just replace each piece. Over v squared. V squared is this one. So we square x squared, and x squared squared becomes x to the power of 4. Well, we may need to simplify this because we've still got to choose A, B, C, D, or E. So what I'm going to do here is I'll just see what we can do with, I won't change the first bit. I'm going to see if that x squared cancels. I'm going to take a factor of x out of here because there's a factor of x here. And I'm going to make that 2x squared. So I've taken 1x out and put it in this factor here over x to the power of 4. Now if we cancel x squared out of each term, x squared out of there, x squared out of there, and x squared out of there would be x squared. All right, let's simplify that. We've got 4x cubed plus 1 minus 2x cubed minus 2. See why it's minus? Because that minus has to be both minus 2x cubed and minus 2. And we're almost finished because now all we have to do is 4x cubed minus 2x cubed is 2x cubed. So we wrap it up by simplifying those two. So 4x cubed minus 2x cubed is 2x cubed. And oh, we've got a plus 1 minus 2. That makes minus 1 all over x squared. We should be able to choose the correct answer now. And where is it? Right, this E actually has split it up because if you separate this into two fractions, 2x cubed over x squared minus 1 over x squared is 2x. So we're talking about E is the correct answer for question 2. Notice we had to work very carefully through this using the quotient rule and be very, very careful with your algebra. We expanded, we factorized, we cancelled common factors, so be very careful with your the rules of algebra in this. I hope this has helped. Until I speak to you again, stay happy.